Scientists are still unsure as to the earliest date of life on Earth. There are several reasons for this. Primitive life on Earth was small and microscopic. With no hard bodies, there are no fossil remains. Second, the Earth is a geologically active place, particularly in the first half-billion years. Earth has been resurfaced a number of times. If you pick up a typical rock, it's only 100 or 200 million years old. There are only a few places on the Earth's surface where it's possible to find rocks that are 3.5 or 4 billion years old. So there's no real geological record before 4 billion years ago. The first tentative evidence for life on Earth dates back almost to the oldest rocks, 3.9 to 4 billion years. This evidence becomes more solid 3.5 billion years ago. The evidence for life this old is not in the form of a microscopic organism or fossil. It's based on chemical tracers where the imbalance between carbon-12 and radioactive carbon-13 indicates a metabolism at work. The earliest tangible evidence from about 3.2 to 3.5 billion years ago is stromatolites, bacterial mats found in Greenland and southern Australia, evidence of fossil cells that use photosynthesis and built colonies on the edge of the sea. The chemical production of life involved the process where carbon dioxide and water combine in the presence of light to form CH2O plus O2. This is the process by which atmospheric oxygen was created 2.5 to 1.5 billion years ago.